Okay, so check it out. Today we're going to talk about Microsoft lists, MS lists. They have a few names that aren't the same as SharePoint, even though they can sometimes live in SharePoint, sometimes live in OneDrive, depending on where you create them. They're basically SharePoint lists, but on steroids with templates already created, color coding available in the comments or in the columns, and comments are now available on the list, so you can tag people and say, "Hey, why aren't you doing your job? Why aren't you updating the list? Where are you?" Um, SharePoint just announced, or Microsoft just announced at Ignite that they're going to create an app for the lists, and then you're going to have offline availability, which is kind of a nice little perk for your lists. Um, these lists they have connectors already built in with Power Automate. So if you have questions about that, if you want to utilize these lists on steroids, if you want to get them connected to your team's channels, reach out to JourneyTEAM. We're here to help.